Hello, you've been choosing this video so you can learn how to paint tree. We will try to paint different type of tree. It's not gonna be one particular, it's gonna be like at least like a 3-4 different varieties. But main trees will be only one on the canvas, and this one we will use the different colors, different techniques. I will show you what kind of tools, paint brushes, paint, and other little secrets what we got, and you will catch up from a first try. You would be expert how to paint the tree. So let's start. I couldn't wait. Let's go. So really quick about the other techniques also, you would need a small brush just like this, and a thin brush just like this, and comb. So I put some piece of paper here, and I got the green palette, which is kind of like an Izumo color. Dark green and light green and brown.